fix one hair.
Oh yeah, sure.
This one. Thank you.
God.
You smell really good.
Joy.
Great to see you,
David. What
good
a
to
pleasure.
see you.
Good to see you,
Welcome
buddy.
back. First of all, that name has been in my family forever. Mario taught my mom beauty school in the 70s.
Thank you for taking leadership in this place and doing a great job. So again, thank you very much.
Mario Tricoci is the best.
And I quote often the philosopher Socrates. It's good to know that you don't know. If you know that you don't know something, then you're able to learn.
Yeah.
You kind of look at him as like, he's a celebrity. Do I curtsy? Do I bow? No.
Belle, how are you? God, good to see
Good to
you.
see you.
Joe.
Like, words can't explain it. I was happy to be there.
The super achiever, that's you. I would never
you.
forget you, man. Very often, people say, Tricoci, is it just a name? Is there really a Mario? Are you really? Yes, it's me. Sono io. In Italian, it means it's me. I'm Mario. I exist. Yes, it's the truth.
What a beautiful thing to do, to create a university where individuals can come and receive the best training available.
I feel like that's Mario's legacy, to create professionals in this industry, to give people careers, not jobs.
Many of the students that I talk to have been interested in the beauty industry forever, and this program allows them to fulfill that dream that they've had since they were a young child.
I've been in the industry now for almost 30 years, so it's changed tremendously. So we have to be able to stay on top of current trends and things like that, to be able to make sure that we are giving them those advanced techniques and that they really are able to pursue their career within this industry.
20 years in the industry, I believe that speaks volumes right there. I think we stay relevant to the trends. We consistently look at curriculum and update where needed.
Yeah, I mean, my vision is pretty simple. I want us to be the best. We do that by building and developing people who have a passion for beauty and love education. And if we do that, we will be the #1 beauty school in the country, and that'll allow us to continue to grow and evolve.
It's a beautiful thing because they believed in me more than I ever believed in myself. So they saw what I didn't see. They saw that I would be able to do it, but I didn't see it.
For teaching, you have to have patience. That is the most important thing because you have different personalities.
Oh yeah. Miss Madeira is probably one of the best teachers I've ever had in my life. The way that she breaks everything down and teaches you, it's easy to follow, and she actually cares that you understand what you're doing.
When I get a class, I screen my entire class. I know who needs more help, and I know who can do it right the first day.
I'm just so proud for never giving up on myself or my future or my kids.
I can look in some of these students' eyes and I just wish you're gonna make it. If you could just get through this little hill, you're gonna make it. Because if these people in this building didn't believe in me, I would never have made it.
You hit a brick wall, you fall on your ass, you get up and do it again because you're here to learn. So it's okay as a student to fail and to find out you didn't do it right, because that is the learning part of it.
Just because it's given me the tools and the foundation to go out and do my own thing and to be successful in my career, that's life-changing. To be able to be your own boss and do what you love every day.
Every single week, I get at least 3 to 5 new clients from TikTok, from Instagram, from Twitter. You know, I grew up poor. I grew up in the projects in Massachusetts, and then we moved to a trailer home in Tennessee. So yeah, they helped me a lot.
It's a school of a second chance for so many people. I can tell you one student after the next that didn't think they could make it, but it's because we planted a seed, and then I get to watch it flourish.
The concept of the university is that we are here to share what we do. If you love the idea of being involved in the beauty industry, attack it. There is no doubt in my mind whatsoever that if you have passion, you're going to be successful. I am excited and nervous, so let me tell you.
There's so much history in this building.
Oh my God. Wow. Didn't expect this. I lost my wife about 1.5 years ago, and I miss her dearly. Behind every successful man, there's a brilliant woman, and she was it. She was so instrumental to really share our knowledge with the next generation of professional hairdressers. She would be so proud that the university has been a great success. You took ownership, you do it justice. So for that, I really want to thank you and thank your organization. As much as I'm emotional today, you got me.